Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong September 13. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung masasabi mo ba na ikaw ay humble. Tayong mga tao, we have this tendency to think that we are great. Na tayo'y talagang merong ability to surpass those that are not us. Kumbaga, to surpass others, no? Pero wag nating kakalimutan that there is the Son of Man. The Son of Man is a messianic title Jesus used for himself. Tulad ng like a Son of Man approaches the ancients of days to receive dominion over all creation. It affirms both his true humanity and his full deity. Kumbaga, yung title po ng Son of Man, yung nagbaback up sa katotohanan na si Jesus ay tunay na tao at tunay na Diyos. No? Sabi nga po sa Daniel chapter 7 verse 13 to 14, "In my vision at night I looked, and there before me was one like Son of Man, coming with the clouds of heaven. He approached the Ancient of Days and was led into his presence. He was given authority, glory, and sovereign power. All nations and peoples of every language worshipped him. His dominion is an everlasting dominion that will not pass away, and his kingdom is one that will never be destroyed." So, the Son of Man is a mysterious prophesied ruler. Kumbaga, isa sa mga prophecies na nakapaloob sa Biblia, yung Son of Man, na kung saan yung Son of Man ang ating Messiah, ang siyang magliligtas, at siyang mga hari sa lahat. And the Son of Man is also the eternal divine King. Ito po yung siyang maghahari sa kabuuan ng panahon. At walang patigil ang paghahari niya, no? But here's the neat part. So siya ngayong prophesied ruler. Siya yung eternal divine King. Pero he is also the suffering servant. Kumbaga, pag tinitignan natin sa standards natin dito sa mundo, parang contradicting, no? Paano ka naging king tapos servant at the same time? That is what's great about the Son of Man. The Son of Man, Jesus Christ, has all the authority here on earth. He knows, and he is well aware that he will rule, or he already rules everything here. Pero kahit na ganon, nagpakumbaba siya. Sinuko niya yung kanyang godly powers. Well, hindi naman sinuko, pero kumbaga, parang kahit na meron siyang godly powers, kasing level niya, equal status sila ng God the Father. He did not use this to run away from his responsibility. In fact, ito po yung ginawa niyang paraan upang magpakumbaba, mag-anyo ng tao, magdusa sa krus, at pasanin ang lahat ng ating mga kasalanan. Dahil doon sa ginawa niya, tayo naligtas. Tayo napawalang sala. So lead by being a servant of all. Gayahin mo po yung Son of Man, Jesus Christ, na even though siya ang ating ruler, siya rin na ang tanging gumawa ng paraan upang tayo maligtas sa ating mga kasalanan by serving us, even though we are unworthy. So live with the humility of Jesus. Let's do our best, no? To be Christ-like. Isipin mo, Panginoon, nagpakumbaba, nagdanak ng dugo para sa kanyang mga sinasakupan. That's the humility that we should aim to achieve, no? So level up for greatness by being Christ-like. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.